If you love anything lemon, then you're gonna love this. Today I'm making an iced lemon loaf cake that's moist and topped with the most delicious lemon glaze. It's simple, fresh, and so good. The first thing I'm gonna do is prepare my pan. I'm gonna lightly grease and flour the pan. And this is just vegetable oil. Just gonna brush it all up the sides. This is gonna help the cake release easily from the pan once it bakes. This prevents the cake from sticking to the pan as it bakes. And you don't need a lot of flour. I'm adding about a teaspoon. And you don't need a lot of flour. I'm adding about a teaspoon, and I'm just going to just kind of shake it around so the flour coats the sides. And this is pretty much what it should look like. I'm going to discard the excess flour. I'm just going to shake it out into the garbage. To my mixing bowl, I am going to add 2 sticks of softened butter. Next, I'm going to whip the butter until it's light and fluffy. This should take about a minute or so. Now I'm going to add in the sugar. And I'm just going to whip this together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Be sure to scrape down the sides in between mixing, just so it's all well combined. Now I'm going to add in the eggs, and I'm going to beat them in one at a time. Vanilla. Now I'm going to add in vanilla. I'm also going to add in the zest of a lemon. And I like to use this microplane. This gets a really fine zest, and it pretty much just takes off the yellow part versus the white, because the white tends to be bitter. So I like to use my microplane. As you can see, it's getting all of that zest. Next, I'm going to add in my lemon juice. I'm going to add in some sour cream. To the flour, I've added baking powder, and I'm also going to add baking soda. Give it a good mix. This is optional, but I'm going to add a pinch of yellow food coloring just to get it just a little pinch. Now I'm going to switch over to my spatula and just kind of mix it all in together. I'm going to add a little bit more food coloring. Don't add too much because you don't want it to be like neon or anything, but just to enhance the color. Now I'm going to add it into that prepared baking dish. And I'm just going to switch to this here spatula so that I can smooth it out. Then I'm going to place this into the oven and bake it until it's golden brown. As the cake cools, I am going to make the lemon glaze. To my bowl, I have confectioner sugar and fresh lemon juice, and I'm just going to give this a mix. I added a little bit more of that lemon juice because you do want it to have a thick but runny consistency like that. And be sure to add this while the cake is still slightly warm, but you don't want it to be hot. And look at the way that glaze just runs over top, you guys. It is the perfect complement to this tangy cake. And I'm just going to spoon this all across the top and allow it to drizzle down the sides. Let this sit so that the icing can form up, and then it's time to enjoy. Thank you guys for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys do make this one. It's definitely a winner, and I will see you guys in the next one.